Alright folks, let me preface this by saying that I wanted to start 2024 with a healthier lifestyle, eating better, sleeping more, and supplementing my diet, feeling more energetic, which a lot of us tend to feel beginning of the new year, right? Of course, regular exercise plays a big role to this, but so do supplements where I know I have some deficiencies. For example, up in Canada, we get very long winters. We're always covered up, and as a result, we don't get much exposure to direct sunlight, which is vital for producing vitamin D. And so being a member of LiveGood, I get access to great products at very reasonable prices. By the way, it's worth mentioning that I, as an affiliate of LiveGood, it's important to understand that my upline does not get commissions on products sold. So for example, if I buy products, which I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys, it'll be my first time ordering from LiveGood, and he will not get any commissions on the products that are being sold, of which I buy. And this is one of the main reasons why LiveGood can offer their products at such low prices, because they essentially cut the middleman out, and where they do make money is they make a little bit of profit on their products, but you'll see the pricings shortly. And they also make the majority of the profits on the memberships. So for example, it's very similar to Costco. If you guys are a member of Costco, sells very good products, sometimes at a discount, sometimes not. Depends on what you're purchasing and when you're purchasing it. However, they do make some profit on the products that they do sell. They also take a loss, for example, on the $1.50 hot dogs, which we've all indulged in, I'm pretty sure. But the majority of their profits come from the hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of memberships that roll in every year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and make this purchase. Now, essentially, I was looking through the products that they offer, and I want pretty much just start off with a overall general package here. And I saw this inside the Ultimate Wellness Pack, which includes 7 products, of which bioactive complete multivitamin for men, and also the essential amino acids. I like the fruit punch flavor in general, and obviously I've never tried this one, but we'll try it out and see how it goes. So I've already added it to my cart, and I also added an extra multivitamin for my wife, and also we'll continue on with that purchase. Now we can see here the directions that they ask you to follow when you're taking these supplements. So it comes with the factor for anti-inflammatory, the essential amino acids, the bioactive complete multivitamin, vitamin D3, K2, ultra magnesium complex, super green, super reds, and also the organic coffee is an option if you want to add that on. So now let's go ahead and do the checkout. I also added a t-shirt here. And again, you see the prices are reasonable. So if you're looking at, so let's look, for example, at the individual products here that they sell inside this Ultimate Wellness Pack. So they have the multivitamin for men, multivitamin for women, $9.95, essentially $10. Same thing here for the women's side. The D3K2, which is included in the Ultra Pack, it's $8.50 for the membership price, and retail price is $13.95, which is not bad at all, right? Ultra Magnesium Complex, which is also included, again $8.95. Super Greens, $18 for the Super Greens. I think Super Reds is also $18. The essential amino acids, which is $19.95, and the factor 4 inflammatory, so this one as well, so another $18.50. So we are saving a little bit of money, not much, because as I mentioned before, they don't make a lot of money on the product itself. They develop the product, they produce the product, they package the product, they warehouse the product, so all that factored in, they make a slight profit on each of the product. But as you can see here, they're not charging a lot for membership for members for buying their products, right? So let's go ahead and make the purchase. This will be my first purchase, as I mentioned, and we'll see how long it takes. All right. Now this is USD prices. I'll be paying by credit card. They also give you the option of paying by cryptocurrency. which is a great thing too, right? But unfortunately, I don't have enough cryptocurrency on me right now to be able to purchase this. So we'll put it on the credit card and I'll just pay it off after. Also note that I am in Canada, so shipping is $21.15 to be able to ship all these products to Canada, and the total comes out to $156.45. One good thing about LiveGood products is that they come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so for whatever reason you're unsatisfied with any of their products for that matter, just ship it back, return it, and even if you used some of it, just return it. So very similar to Costco, and they'll process a refund for you. All right, and that is it. The product was purchased, or the products were purchased. Now we just gotta wait for them in the mail, and I will keep you guys updated in the next few days or next weeks or so.
1 week later.
Welcome back, everybody. So it's been a week and a half since I made the order for LiveGood. This is the first LiveGood order that I made. By the way, I did this unboxing already. I opened it up and I recorded a video, not remembering to unmute the microphone. So I've wasted this opportunity, but I'm still gonna reproduce the unboxing experience just for you guys. This is my first time doing an unboxing experience, so I want to try something new, so I can bring you guys along. On March 25th, and it has arrived today in the afternoon when I picked it up. And so it took about a week and a half. Today is April the 3rd. So let's go ahead with the unboxing, and we'll see what's inside the first shipment of LiveGood here. So we have the packing slip. It includes just pretty much a listing of everything that's inside the box, obviously. Starting first with the t-shirt. Now, this t-shirt just says LiveGood on it, but on the back side, this is a limited run t-shirt. On the back side is what's most important. It says "One vision, one mission, changing the world together. LiveGood." Now, this was a, I think, special edition t-shirt that they won't be reprinting later on or at all, and they have a few other regular production merchandise that's available on the website. So let's go ahead through the products that they sent over. We have a multivitamin here for men. This has 60 capsules here, which I believe they recommend 2 per day for this. So this is a 30-day supply. Similar with this one for women that I bought for my wife, so she'll be testing that out. What's next is we have vitamin D3, which is something that we're lacking here in North America and Canada specifically, especially over winter time, when we're all bundled up, have a lot of clothing on, we don't get much sunshine, and we don't get a lot of sun during the day as well, because it's winter. And when we do walk on the sun, and sometimes it's very sunny, we just have a ton of clothes on and a ton of winter clothing on, so just none of the sun penetrates that. So our body doesn't produce vitamin D, so this is why we need to take supplements quite often here. Ultra magnesium complex, maximum muscle, nerve, and energy support. Supports over 300 enzyme reactions. So I gotta look at this and see what this is beneficial for. Let's put this to the side. Lastly, of the small containers, we have Factor 4, which is healthy heart support, supports joint and organ health, promotes immune health, supports healthy circulation. Let's put that on the side over here. Now let's get into the powders. We have Super Reds here, cardiovascular health, circulation, sexual health, and brain and cognitive function. And this will benefit me as well as the essential amino. Supports muscle strength and function, boosts stamina and recovery, promotes energy and focus. Sometimes I lack a little focus, so I'm hoping this will help aid me with that. And also, lastly, the Super Greens, immune protection, energy and recovery, stress support, digestive health. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I've been trying to take better care of myself lately, so this is the main reason for going with the products that LiveGood offers in the Ultimate Wellness Package. And finally, we have a sticker here that I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not, but I'll have to find an area where I could stick this, maybe a water bottle or whatnot. But here it is, everybody. Let's move this box aside and let's just take an overall view of what was included here. Hopefully the camera will stay focused. We have this multivitamins, this, the ultra magnesium, the K, vitamin D, and also the factor 4. So these are the 8 items that I ordered. Total including shipping and taxes was $156 USD. Now I'll be taking this regularly. At least I'll be trying to take this regularly. I'll have to form some sort of daily regiment or daily schedule based around these products, and I'll keep you informed. I'll probably be making an update video based on these products. Now, I don't want this channel to become a product review, but since this is a company that sells products as well as does marketing as well for the membership, I only felt it natural to dive into their products. So if you have any questions about LiveGood or their products, please hit me up in the Telegram group that I created specifically for LiveGood. Link will be in the description down below, as well as if you would like to join the platform or the project, link is in the description as well down below. Please note, if you're new to LiveGood, there's some videos that I'll link to that describe the products that they sell. There are 2 types of memberships that you can buy. One of them, and you can own both of them by the way, one of them is the monthly membership that allows you to purchase these products here, as well as other products that they have. By the way, they'll be coming out with weight loss products in the coming weeks. I believe in about 2 weeks they'll have some weight loss products that they'll announce, so I'm excited for that as well. Not that I really need weight loss, but I do need it. I'm a little bit overweight, not too much. I'm just borderline according to my doctor, so maybe that might benefit me. And so they have like I mentioned, they have a membership that sort of like Costco that allows you to purchase products at a discounted rate. They also have a retail site that allows you to purchase these same products at retail prices. And secondly, they have a membership that allows you, or that's a one-time fee membership that allows you to become an affiliate of LiveGood, and there's a bunch of benefits for being an affiliate as well. Obviously, earning commissions for sharing this platform is one of them. So again, all the links will be in the description down below. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. My name is Brent. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the update video. Have a good one. Bye bye.